So I'm out here. See, that's a drainage pipe. So I got this area over here that when I bought the house, you couldn't drive through here. I mean, it was like at least an acre and a half, maybe 2 acres back in here. So I haven't put a drainage pipe. You can see the end of it right there. The other end is right there. It's just not sticking out. You just can't see it from this angle. So now I'll be able to get a truck back in here. What I really want to be able to do is maintain the fence with my lawnmower, and I couldn't get over here because this creek wraps around. Let's see if I can back out. Wraps around and goes over that way over to that fence, way over there. You can see the white, maybe. So anyway, and then the water. Oops. Then I'm kind of on a slope. I don't know if you can see it. The water runs down the road to here, and it runs down the road from the other uphill down to here. So it's, I don't know what day this is, July 1st, I think. About a week ago, it finally dried out. And it's still mud. So, I don't know if I said I hurt my neck. So I haven't been working on the car. I needed to rest it. I think I hurt it by, I'm just going to walk over to where his tractor is. The other end. And when you get old, things don't work as good. So I think I was reaching up over my head for 2 days cutting, and I think I hurt my neck. I mean, I know I never hurt it. I think that's how I did it. So the shop is over here. And here's his little excavator. Once he turns it on, he won't be able to hear me. Just watch for a few minutes. John Deere. So we're wondering, so we got the same kind of creek going through here. Again, it kind of makes a circle, not a circle, but a quarter of a circle. We're at the fence. Here's the end of that quarter circle. So he needed dirt because down in there it's just mud. So I said, why don't you just, he asked me. If he wasn't here, he would have figured it out. I just said, take it out of this area right here. You probably can't see it, but there's a dip right here. Now I'll get rid of this dip that's been driving me crazy. A little bit. Did I jump? Did I jump? I try not to jump.
Got the moles out again. Did you see that? There's that stripe under the little barricades under the plywood. Got
yeah,
4 or 5 new mole holes popped up.
I just haven't got down. I've been working up there.
I've been feeding them, coaxing them, you know. Drinking all their hard work.
Just hang on. So, as I showed in other videos, I'm just trying to make a trail. Let's slowly turn around. It goes down that hill. You can see the pipe. And back up about 300 feet, then it takes a right angle over that way. Then eventually it'll return back to that first little dirt bridge I showed you. So here he is trying to find dirt. Man, I miss having a tractor. Yeah, I used to own a, talking to the camera now. I used to own a Cat Extendo 580. It was, the pins were worn out, but it was, man, it was fun. Anybody that's had to dig with a wheelbarrow and a pick and a shovel, there's nothing like a tractor. So he needed, I don't know if I said it earlier, you can't remember when you're making videos. But anyway, he needed some dirt, so he took it out of here. Got rid of a big bump I had for mowing the lawn. Did it in about 10 minutes. He needed dry dirt. Dirt down, like I think I said earlier, it was too wet down there. So he pulled all the dirt over he thinks he needs. There's the pipeline in there. And he's going to stay away from the fence. So I just have to kind of go around the fence a little bit. Pretty little handy machine. Yeah. It is nice because on the backhoe you couldn't do that.
Yeah, swing all the way around.
Well, that tree's gonna go. We'll have to just tear it out. By the time he's done, it'll be gone. Anyway, that's what he's doing. You know, I dug a ditch way over there where that propane tank is, to the shop, and the ground was soaked. It just kept filling up with water, and so when I filled it in, it was just like slop. But over the winter time, it all hardened up. I don't understand. I know it's wet underneath, so that's what's going to happen here. The ground is, even though it's going to be wet down there, it hardens up. I don't really understand how that works. I guess it compacts itself or something. So here's some more. The pile's getting smaller. Stuff in there. Motor, axles. Okay, he's got this bridge in here. I'm standing, that's where I was standing over there. This is about a half hour, 45 minutes later. He grabbed dirt from there and here to fill that. And then I asked him to turn that way. The whole idea is to keep this fence from, I think I said it 50 times, keep the fence from getting all cluttered up with weeds and shit. So that's why I want to stay as close as I can. Except for right here, I don't want to bury that little, I don't want to bury the drain pipe. Because I would have to go into the other yard, other property. Okay, I'm just taking a picture. If I can remember, I'll do it next year, or a video. See how much grew back. Now I'm going to go out and follow him to the back. He's cutting trees. Okay, well, if you can hear me, because I'm talking real loud, we're on the back of the property now. These are the trees I was talking about. Watch them. Just gonna make an area big enough to get my riding lawnmower through here. Gonna come back and clean up that. There was an area in that corner where somebody used to have a dirt bike berm, like they have a racetrack where they could turn. How long does it take me by hand? That's the idea. It's got about, well, the trees thin out after about 15 feet, I think.